Christian God is not a God of love. He's a God of punishment. You ate some fruit from a tree, I will punish all of humanity for eternity. As of now, women will have unbearable pain while giving birth. You don't obey me, I will flood your land and kill each and every one of you. You didn't live up to my divine expectations, I will torture you in hell for eternity. Oh, but he loves you. No, that is not a loving God. That is a deeply hateful God who goes out of his way to make our lives miserable.